Hi, I'm Brad Wilson with King Electrical Manufacturing. If you're looking for a smarter way to control your HVAC system, especially in a situation where running wires is difficult or costly, the Thermalink KRF-24V-KIT is the solution you've been waiting for. It's a 24-volt RF wireless thermostat platform designed to work seamlessly with virtually any 24-volt HVAC system, including both conventional systems and heat pumps. Thermalink isn't just a high-end thermostat. It's a universal wireless control platform that simplifies HVAC installations and upgrades. It's designed for real-world challenges like missing or broken thermostat wires, adding or replacing multi-stage equipment, retrofitting older systems, or relocating thermostats for better comfort and accuracy. The key is no control wiring between the thermostat and the HVAC equipment is required. All communications happen wirelessly over a reliable RF signal. The system consists of two core components. The wireless thermostat, it's your main control center. It supports up to 3 stages of heating and 2 of cooling and communicates wirelessly between your heat pump or conventional system. It's even fully programmable with a 7-day heating schedule. Battery powered right out of the box, it also supports 24-volt hardwired installations to eliminate battery maintenance and mounts anywhere in the room for optimal temperature sensing. And this wireless relay module, this connects to your heat pump or HVAC system and receives wireless RF signals from the thermostat to control the heat and cooling. But why go wireless? Thermalink uses RF radio frequency communication instead of hardwired connections, which allow you to place the thermostat anywhere in the room, eliminating cold spots and improving your comfort. You get faster installation, flexible thermostat placement, and zone control, so you only condition the space you need. It's a universal solution that works with both conventional systems and heat pumps, making it perfect for upgrades, retrofits, or new installations. Whether you're dealing with a broken or missing wire or hard-to-wire spaces, Thermalink delivers wireless control without the hassle of running new wires. For added flexibility, the system supports optional wireless RF sensors for custom control and further energy savings. There are occupancy sensors that automatically set back the temperature when the room is unoccupied. This window and door sensor detects when a window or door is open and adjusts the heat accordingly. There is even a master setback switch. One flip of the switch and all paired systems go into setback mode. This smart accessory makes Thermalink an energy-saving, comfort-boosting solution for homes and light commercial spaces. There are 3 main ways to control the system. You can program a 7-day schedule, simply set your weekly heating or cooling routine, and Thermalink maintains your set point automatically. Set the system up for occupancy-based control. With the optional occupancy sensor, the system adjusts the set point based on room usage, ensuring no energy is wasted. Or simply make manual adjustments and override anytime for personal comfort. With Thermalink's KRF-24V-KIT, you can modernize your HVAC control without rewiring your home. It's universal, flexible, energy efficient, and built to meet the demands of today's installations. Whether you're a contractor facing tough retrofit jobs or a homeowner ready to upgrade your system. Now, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our Smart Solutions from King.